This is Patty. I'm currently at Cape Canaveral and I am on the beach. And I am waiting for NASA to launch one of their rockets. And I didn't think this was going to happen on my trip because the launch has been delayed for at least 2 nights due to bad weather. But we have a cloudy sky, but no weather in the forecast. So I'm really hoping that this is going to happen tonight. I will definitely be capturing the launch for you and sharing it. I'm so excited. Before I was a bird nerd, I was a space nerd. So I am always excited to see a rocket launch. Stay tuned. We have several spectators here on the beach, all very excited to see this rocket launch. I really hope we're not disappointed tonight. It was very disheartening when we missed the first 2 windows. And this is my last night here at Cape Canaveral, so this is my last opportunity. So I really hope it happens tonight. Wish me luck, guys. If it does happen, I will be bringing it to you as quickly as possible. The tide is out pretty far tonight, which is really good. The past couple of days, we've had some turbulent weather. So we had some really high tides, some rough waves. Anytime you see surfers out catching a wave, it's not necessarily a good time for the actual swimmer. So I was very cautious, didn't venture out too far. I'm checking the riptide current situations over the past few days. So yeah, I've had a great time being here. I always love being at the beach. It's my happy place. Always helps me recenter. I've used this time to work on other video projects and gather ideas. And just can't wait to bring you so much more content. Can't wait to do more travel videos. You know, I thought I was going to come here and just vlog about birds, seaside birds, and I did take some footage, but not a heck of a lot. I was just in the moment, you know, just loving this. I mean, listen to the sound. That's not some audio track. That is the actual Atlantic Ocean. And nothing just brings you back to your center, to your base, as much as hearing the ocean. So I've taken some time out for myself. Just enjoying being here, enjoying being in the moment. Like I said, this is my last night, and I'm just happy to be here. I love the beach at night. I wish the moon was out. That would be, you know, better illumination and make it easier for me to video. But, I mean, again, just listen to the sound. It never stops. The ocean never stops. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I can listen to this all day and all night. I'm so blessed to be here. And I'm blessed to be able to share it with everybody. Current time is 8:15. We have been checking NASA's website, looking for that launch window. It just said that possibility is at 7:59 p.m. today. So we're just waiting. I have no idea how long I'm going to be out here, but I'm not alone. I'm with several other people, so I feel very safe being out here at night. People are actually still swimming. I can't, show it to you on the camera, but there are people still enjoying the beach waves, even at this time of night. This is amazing. While waiting, I've been able to enjoy a very beautiful the sunset. I'll insert some pictures of our hotel. I'm not on the Oceanside building, but the picture that I will show you is the Oceanside building. Unfortunately, I couldn't get a room in that building. But it's just a short walk, maybe 3 to 5 minutes from my hotel to the beach. So other than being able to wake up in the morning and sit on the balcony and drink your coffee while listening to the ocean, I really couldn't ask for much more. We've been able to see cruise ships come and go. Tomorrow is Friday, so it's a very active day for cruise ships to depart. We've seen Carnival Cruise Line, Royal Caribbean, Disney Cruise Line, so that's always a treat. Of course, I get so envious that I'm not on one of those actual cruise ships, but I just love seeing them come and go. Cape Canaveral is a great spot. The Port Canaveral is a good spot to sail out of. So if you ever get the chance to cruise, consider coming from Cape Canaveral. Spend some time in the beach, either before your cruise or after your cruise. Just relax and take it all in. And if you're lucky, maybe you'll catch a rocket launch. Oh, I'm really hoping I'm lucky. I'm really hoping I'm lucky. My fingers are crossed, my toes are crossed. And I'm just waiting. I'm like anxiously pacing back and forth. I can't just sit. I have my beach chair set up, but I just can't sit. I'm so nervous, so excited. I just want this thing to happen. This will be awesome. It's 8:30 p.m. Still no activity. I'm starting to get really nervous that this may not happen. This is my last night here. It's my last chance to see this happen. I'm just waiting patiently, hoping beyond hope. Even if it doesn't happen, I'm still enjoying the beach. My last night here. And so I just wanted to see the ocean one last time. I can't take it for granted that I'm gonna see it again. So I'm really just enjoying being here. Even if the rocket launch doesn't happen, I'm seeing the ocean one last time.